Today's poem title is Pain of a Rose Tree. I am a rose tree, came here from a nursery where I was taken care of very beautifully. But in this spring, I was too glad to bloom flowers. People came and taken my photo. I was very happy. But the day came to be sad. There was a festival at my place. A few people came to me, very gently started cutting my branches. I was crying silently, but they didn't stop. They took all the branches to plant in their own homeyard. I was happy for contribution, but cutting all branches made me sad. Thank you.